SendGrid Email Marketing Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to SendGrid are in the description below. In this video, I'll be reviewing SendGrid, a powerful email marketing and transactional email platform designed for businesses that need reliable email delivery at scale. Whether you're a startup, e-commerce business, or enterprise, SendGrid offers robust email APIs, automation, and detailed analytics to optimize your email strategy. One of SendGrid's biggest strengths is its scalability and deliverability. It's built for high-volume email sending and ensures emails land in inboxes with minimal spam filtering. It provides dedicated IP addresses, domain authentication, and real-time analytics to monitor deliverability. For developers, its flexible API integrates seamlessly with websites, apps, and CRM platforms. SendGrid also includes email marketing features such as automation, segmentation, and a drag-and-drop editor for creating professional campaigns. You can set up automated workflows for welcome sequences, abandoned cart emails, and promotions. Additionally, A/B testing helps optimize subject lines and content for better engagement. For businesses that rely on transactional emails, such as account verifications, password resend purchase confirmations, SendGrid excels with fast and secure email delivery. Its event webhook feature tracks email opens, clicks, and bounces in real time, providing actionable insights. The reporting dashboard gives a detailed view of campaign performance, showing open rates, click-through rates, and engagement trends. This helps businesses refine their strategies and improve ROI. Plus, its AI-powered recommendations suggest ways to enhance email performance. SendGrid offers a free plan for low-volume users, while paid plans scale based on email volume and additional features like dedicated IPs and advanced analytics. While it's developer-friendly, non-technical users can still benefit from its intuitive email builder and automation tools. If you need a reliable, scalable, and high deliverability email solution, SendGrid is one of the best options available. It's particularly great for businesses that send both marketing and transactional emails at scale. Check the links in the description for more details.